Okay guys, this is going to be the last video for the night. I'm going to go ahead and stop this print. Apparently there's not enough there's not enough oscillation going on that's going to cause the problem. So at this point, it's perfectly cylindrical in its current state, and I guess without more jitter motion or oscillation, it's going to do what it's doing just fine. But let me stop this and let's take a look at it. There. Okay. So, at first glance, you couldn't ask for a better circle. I mean, it's pretty much spot on. Now I get it that this was just simply going in circles and that there wasn't a ton of movement. I had mentioned in my previous video that separation right there was caused when I spun up the percentage on my box to 250%. I lost some adhesion, but obviously there's no wobble there. This cylinder is in pretty good shape. I'm going to try and pull it off here without busting it all apart, but let's see what happens here. So there you go, you can kind of see. Let me see if I can zoom in on this here a little bit better, but I mean, you can see my printer does extremely well. I'm very fortunate that I don't have any major issues. Now you can see the pretty much perfect circle. I do have a seam over here, which I expected to happen, but maybe not as much as that. But yeah, so that's where I started changing all the speed, all the percentages to see if I could get it to run faster, and it turns out that it just couldn't lay the material fast enough. And if you look down the center, you can see where it pulled apart. I slowed it back down and it corrected itself, and the rest of the print turned out just fine. So what I've been told is that I need to add some solid parts to the print in order to generate more oscillation. I'm all for it, so I'm going to test something else, see if I can't get these issues to occur. What I may do is try a cylinder half as wide, half as wide, and maybe solid in parts, but not all the way up. So we'll see what I can kick off, and I'll be back tomorrow maybe with some different results. I'm all for testing and figuring out if in fact those brackets are necessary. So we'll be back. See ya.